Best surface mount wall switches ensure safe wiring, easy installation, space-saving design, and reliable control for residential and commercial electrical systems. My today's video is about top 5 best surface mount wall switches that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Suryalek Wireless Light Switch. The Suryalek Wireless Light Switch and Receiver Kit is an excellent solution for adding a switch without the hassle of in-wall wiring. Ideal for renovations, garages, basements, or rental properties, it eliminates the need to tear into drywall or rely on Wi-Fi. Installation is straightforward. The compact receiver fits inside a standard electrical box, neutral wire required, while the wireless wall switch mounts easily on any flat surface. With a strong RF signal reaching up to 100 feet in open areas, it operates reliably through walls and doors without requiring line of sight. This makes it perfect for hard-to-access spaces like attics or storage rooms. Dynamic coding prevents signal interference, allowing multiple kits to function independently in the same home. Prepared for convenience and fully expandable, the system supports 3-way or 4-way configurations and can control multiple devices, offering flexible, customizable lighting control. Now our second product is Dunwill's Wireless Light Switch. The Dunwill's Remote Light Switch Kit offers a practical, cost-effective way to upgrade your lighting without cutting into walls. By installing the compact receiver between the power source and fixture, neutral wire required, you can control lights wirelessly from the included wall-mounted remote. It's an excellent solution for remodels, garages, or adding switches in hard-to-reach areas without disturbing the existing wiring. The strong RF signal works through walls and doors up to 100 feet in open spaces, eliminating the need for line of sight. Pre-programmed for immediate use, the system is also expandable, allowing one switch to control multiple receivers or multiple switches to control a single receiver, same model only. Its detachable wall switch and space-saving receiver fit tight junction boxes or canopies with ease. Supporting up to 1000 W tungsten, 600 W fluorescent, and 200 W LED loads, it's ideal for lights, ceiling fixtures, and other appliances, especially helpful for elderly users or those with limited mobility. Our third product is Runless Wire Fan and Light Battery. This wireless double rocker light switch kit is a smart solution for adding or relocating switches without the hassle of running new wires. Designed to control 2 lights or fixtures independently, it uses reliable RF technology to deliver seamless performance throughout your home or workspace. One of its standout features is the self-powered, battery-free design. Each press generates kinetic energy to send a signal to the receiver, eliminating maintenance and ensuring long-term reliability without ever needing battery replacements. Installation is simple and DIY-friendly. The receiver mounts at the light fixture, while the sleek double rocker switch can be installed over existing boxes or directly onto walls, glass, tile, or wood. It also fits standard Decora wall plates for a clean, professional finish. With a strong signal range of up to 150 feet, it works through walls and floors effortlessly. Ideal for retrofits, remodels, garages, stairwells, and basements, this kit offers flexible, cost-effective lighting control without complicated rewiring. Now number 4, WireMold Legrand WireMold NMW2. The WireMold 1-gang switch plus outlet box kit delivers the professional-grade quality installers rely on. Designed to extend power safely and neatly, this non-metallic kit is an ideal solution for organizing exposed wiring without opening walls. It includes a single-pole switch, outlet box, and matching faceplate, everything needed for a clean, streamlined setup. What sets this kit apart is its focus on cable management. It effectively conceals and organizes messy cords, making it perfect for offices, workshops, garages, or home upgrades where surface-mounted solutions are preferred. The non-metallic construction is lightweight yet durable, offering reliable performance while maintaining a tidy appearance. Installation is straightforward, especially for retrofit projects where cutting into drywall isn't practical. Once mounted, it provides a professional finish that blends functionality with safety. Whether you're extending power to new devices or improving cable organization, This kit offers a dependable and polished solution trusted by pros. And our last choice is Electrip Slide Dimmer Switch. The Electrip Dimmer Switch is a smart upgrade for homeowners seeking modern style and dependable performance, without the need for a neutral wire. Ideal for older and newer homes alike, it replaces an existing switch or dimmer in as little as 15 minutes. Its ultra-slim profile fits easily into standard electrical boxes, ensuring a smooth installation experience. Designed for versatility, it supports up to 150W dimmable LED/CFL and 600W incandescent bulbs. The built-in initial brightness controller allows you to fine-tune the dimming range, preventing flicker and optimizing performance for different bulb types. It works in both single-pole and three-way setups, with only one dimmer in the circuit, maintaining your selected brightness level across switches. The matte, frameless design complements modern decor, while the tough thermoplastic housing resists impacts and scratches. UL and CUL listed for safety. It's backed by a 2-year warranty, 30-day money-back guarantee, and responsive lifetime technical support, delivering both reliability and peace of mind. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.